This exponential part is same. Yes or not? This part equals to this part. No problem. Means now what is the change only? Change only the input and output. Yes or not? Here in this case, in equation B, only change is the input. The input is your x conjugate k, and what is your output? Output is your n x of n whole conjugate, that is your n x conjugate n. Okay, this is the basic. Clear? I used yesterday also same thing. This is the basic part. So same algorithm we will use the DIT and DAF. Only change is the input and output. Here we will take input as x conjugate k because x of k is given, or DFT of sequence is given, and we will find n x conjugate n. After that we will divide n and we will take conjugate. Okay, now DIT algorithm is over. Now same way we can do for DIF. Okay, DIF. Now same processor. You all people know that in case of DIF, the input is same order. Yes or not? The input is same order. There is no change of order, and output is bit reversal order. This is very very important. Okay, and DIF butterfly also people know. Yes or not? What is the change? The input is same order. Input is same order, and output is your bit reversal order. Okay, and the butterfly all people know. Yes, not this is the butterfly. X1, x2. This is your x1 plus x2, and this is your x1 minus x2 omega and k. This is your DIF butterfly. This is very very important, because if you know this, then it is very easy for you people to do all the calculation. Okay, where x1 x2 is input and this 2 is output. The upper output is x1 plus x2, you have to remember, and the lower one is x1 minus x2 multiply the total factor omega and k. Okay, now I will use same to find. So what is the stage 1 calculation? Same process. Stage 1, stage 1 calculation. Okay, in the stage 1 calculation, the input is the same order. Yes or not? So what is the input here? Already I said the input is your x conjugate k is the input, and what is the output? Output is n x conjugate n is the output. Okay, so this you should not forget. That is very very important. Clear? Now input is same order. You take this x conjugate 0, x conjugate 1, x conjugate 2, x conjugate 3, x conjugate 4, x conjugate 5, x conjugate 6, x conjugate 7. Now as usual, to plot one line like this. The line is straight line. Okay. Huh? Now we will do the butterfly. Same, already I explained this part. It's not difficult. Now we can do the butterfly. Okay. How will do the butterfly? See, first and fourth, yes or not? Because this is DIF. See, first, and this is your fourth. Okay, so this is the first butterfly. Then same way you can do the second butterfly. 1 and 5, yes or not? See, it's 1 and 5. Third butterfly. See, I am using different colors so that if people will not confuse. third butterfly 2 and 6. 2 and 6. And finally last butterfly 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Okay, so now the calculations are very easy. This is same. So this is your omega 8 0. This is omega 8 1, omega 8 2, and this is your omega 8 3. Okay, let the stage 1 output is P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, and P7. Okay. Oh, now it is very easy. Can you guide me? What is your P0? Yes.
X conjugate 0 plus omega 8 0 X
X
conjugate 4.
conjugate 0 plus X conjugate
X conjugate 4.
good. Yes. So this is your X conjugate 0 plus X conjugate 4. And this is the lower one, P4, yes or not? This is your X conjugate 0 minus X conjugate 4 multiply the total factor is omega 8 0. Okay. Similarly, P1, we can write what is P1? It's X conjugate 1 plus X conjugate 5. Okay. And this is P5. It's X conjugate 1 minus X conjugate 5 multiply omega 8 1 because the total factor is omega 8 1. Then P2 X conjugate 2 plus X conjugate 6. This is your X conjugate 2 minus X conjugate 6 multiply the total factor omega 8 2. Then P3 X conjugate 3 plus X conjugate 7. Then this P7 is finally X conjugate 3 minus X conjugate 7 whole multiply the total factor is omega 8 3. Okay, so this is your stage 1 calculation. Clear all of you? Okay, the equations are very easy. Better people write. Just I am giving 1 minute time to you people to finish it so that we'll go to stage 2. Okay, completed? Yes or not? All of you? Is it complete?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we go to stage 2. Then stage 2 calculation. Okay. Now Same stage 1 output become input to stage 2. So this is P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7. Okay. Now how to do the butterfly for stage 2? Okay. Now I'm creating the butterfly. Someone guide me how to do the butterfly.
P0, P2,
Very good. It's a P0 and a P2. Second butterfly.
P1, P3.
Good. P1 and P3. Okay. Same we will do for the next two. Yes and after. Next two also same. P4, P6, P4, P6, and second one is the rest part P5, P7, P5 and P7. Okay. Then this is your omega at 0. This is omega at 2. This is also omega at 0, omega at 2. Okay. Now later the output is S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7. Now equations are very simple. What is the equation for S0? Yes, sir. S0
P naught.
equation? Yes. P naught.
P naught plus P2.
Very good. P naught plus P2. Okay. Similarly, here S2 is P naught minus P2 multiply omega at 0 is another. This is the twin factor. And what is S1?
P1 plus P3,
Very good. P1 plus P3. Then S3?
P1 minus P3 into omega.
Omega 8 1 is sorry, omega 8 2, not 1, omega 8 2. That's the total factor. Same way we can write for S4. S4 is P4 plus P6. Simple the butterfly. What I given for DIF, you see that butterfly is very easy. Okay, the input is P4, P6, and the output is S4, S6. Okay, it's very simple. Then what is the S6? It's a P4 minus P6 multiply omega 8 0. That is the total factor. Similarly, S5 is P5 plus P7, and this S7 is P5 minus P7 multiply omega 8 2. That is the total factor. Okay, this is the stage 2 calculation. Again, I am giving 1 minute time. Please finish it. Then go to the final stage, stage 3. Okay, now we'll go to the next stage. That is the last stage, stage 3 calculation. Okay, stage 3, the final stage calculation. Now, same stage 2 output become stage 3 input, that is your S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7. Just plot one line like this. Okay. Then how you can do the butterfly? Can someone suggest?
S0, S4.
S0, S4. This is the DIF2.
Not
S0,
S1.
S1, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
S0 to S4.
S0 to S1, not S4. Yes, sir. In case of DIT, that is S0 to S4. This is the DIF2. Okay. So DIF means S0 to S1. Just the first two, the next two. Yes or no? Don't be confused. It will happen. Don't worry. Because first time people are doing. But once you practice, that confusion will go. Okay. S2, S3, S4, S5, like this. Then S6, S7. Okay. In all case, it is numerator 0. Now, what is output? That is very important. Can someone guide me? What is the outputs?
N into X conjugate 0.
Yes, that is it. See, in DIF, already I say that input is the same order. Yes or no? The output is bit reversal order. Don't forget. So, N into X conjugate 0. Then next, N into,
X conjugate 4.
very good, X conjugate 4. Then N into,
X conjugate 2.
then N into X conjugate 6. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Then N into X conjugate 1. N into X conjugate 5. N into X conjugate 3. Finally, N into X conjugate 7. Okay, here capital N is 8 because it is 8.8. So capital N is 8. Now we'll write the equations. Equations are very simple here. Okay, direct. It is S0 plus S1, and this is S0 minus S1 multiply the pull factor omega at 0. Same here, S2 plus S3 is S2 minus S3 pull factor. Okay, S4 plus S5 is your S4 minus S5 multiply the pull factor. And finally, S6 plus S7 is your S6 minus S7 multiply the pull factor omega at 0. Okay, now same as I said before, once we get these values, what to do? First take conjugate of this value, then divide by capital N to get the original value. And one important thing is this is not in the order. It is not in the order. So when you write, you have to write in the order. That is very, very important if the exam is offline. Online means no problem. Okay. Online will not create any trouble in this case. Offline means you should be very cautious, otherwise you will do mistake. Okay. Now I'm giving 1 minute time. Just finish this equation. Then finally we will do one problem. Okay. Then we will do one problem now. See, so that the people will practice. Now here I will write the problem. You can write here also. This space, the space is there. You can write, no problem. Okay. Now say find the identity of the sequence. Sequence is given. The sequence is x of k equals to, it is 4 1 minus j 2.414 2.414, then 0, and it is 1 minus j 0.414, then 0, then 1 plus j 0.414, then again 0, finally 1 plus j 2.414. This is the depth of the sequence given. Your question is find IDFT of the sequence. Okay, find IDFT of the sequence using DIF algorithm. That is important. Okay, so this is actually offline question. It is a complete question of 6 mark or 8 mark, or sometimes you will get for 12 mark also. Okay, so if exam is offline, means this is a short question. F50 means 100% get one question. There is no doubt. Okay, clear? Now say, so what is the process? Is the stage one calculation already I shown to you people. Now first you find this conjugate value. Okay, from here only I can write directly. See, x conjugate 0. So x0 is a 4 real number, no change. Then x conjugate 1, it is a j become minus j. It is 1 plus j 2.414. X conjugate 2, 0 conjugate, no change, 0. X conjugate 3, it is 1 minus j, become plus 1 plus j 0.414. X conjugate 4, again it's 0, no change. X conjugate 5, see 1 plus j become 1 minus 1 minus j 0.414. X conjugate 6, again it's 0, no change. Finally x conjugate 7, see here 1 plus j, na, you just do 1 minus j, 1 minus j 2.414, 2.414. Okay, now see these are the input, x conjugate 0 to x conjugate 7. Just you write all this value here, then you have set of equations with you people, no problem. By using this equation you can find the p0 to p7 value. Okay, I will write those values. You people please note down so that the people will verify after this class. Okay, now please write. It is first one is 4. Okay, second one 2 plus j2. This p2 become 0. p3 2 minus j2, p4 4. It is 2 plus j2, p6 0, p7 2 minus j2. Okay, so this is p0 to p7 value. Okay, you can do the calculation by using these equations. Yeah, please note down these values. I'm just giving 1 minute time so that if you later you will do the calculation part by using these equations. Okay, completed. Okay, let me go to the next step. Now P0 to P7 values people know, yes or not? This is your 4 and 2 plus J2. This is 0. 2 minus J2. This is 4. 2 plus J2. 0. 2 minus J2. Now again calculate this S0 to S7 value. Equations are there. It's very simple. You will get it's very simple. P0 plus P2 means what? 4 plus 0. It is 4. Yes or not? Similarly, P1 plus P3. P1 is 2 plus J2. P3 is 2 minus J2. Again it is 4. Okay. Similarly, P0 minus P2. P0 is 4. P2 is 0. 4 minus 0 4. Omega at 0 is 1. So again it is 4. Okay, like this you will calculate. You will get all fours. All four you will get. Yes, sir.
There S1 equal to P1 plus P3 into omega 8 whole to the
No,
power
no,
of 2
no.
means
No. It is a DAF. See, don't confuse. That is DAT. DIF. What is the butterfly? See, this is the problem. See, this is the DIF butterfly. Yes or not? Upper one is only x1 plus x2. Lower one is x1 minus x2 omega and k. Yes, sir. That's what you are saying. That is a DIT. Yes or no? In case of DIT, what do we get? X1 plus omega n k x2, and this is x1 minus omega n k x2. Yes or not? That is for DIT, and this is for DIF. Don't confuse. Clear? Yes or not?
yes sir.
Hmm. This will happen. See, if people are reading now, when will people practice slowly, this thing will be, the thought will be clear. Otherwise, people will confuse. That's why I'm saying number of times if people practice, then only you can do it accurately and fastly. So we people also will not practice, we also will take 30 minutes time to do. Okay, and chance of getting error is more ineffective. That's why if the exam is offline, don't hurry, do the calculation properly. Okay, otherwise you will spend 30 minutes or 35 minutes, 40 minutes and you will get 0 mark. Clear? So this is the stage 2. Then go to the final stage, stage 3. In the stage 3, these all are 4. Then it is easy, yes or not? This is 4 plus 4, 8. 4 minus 4, 0. Same, 8, it's 0. It is 8, it is 0. It is 8, it is a 0. Okay. Now it is now what to do? The last step. In the last step, first you should write like this in order, because this is not in the order. Yes or not? This is bit reversal order. First you write in the proper order. That is n x conjugate n. Proper order means first is 0. 0 means 8. Okay. After that 1. 1 means 8. After that 2. 2 means 8. 3. 3 means it's 8. Then 4. 4 means 0. 5 means 0. 6 is 0 again. And finally 7 also 0. Okay. After that what to do? Take conjugate both sides. It is all real number, no problem. Otherwise what to do again? Take conjugate both sides. That is n is 8, 8 x of n. 8 x of means this complete whole conjugate. Okay. If you take conjugate both sides, this is 8 conjugate, this is 8 conjugate, this is 8 conjugate, 8 conjugate, yes, 0 conjugate. These all are real number, no problem. If it's a complex number means j must be replaced by minus j. Okay, so what we got finally? 8 x of n, we got here 8 conjugate means 8 only, 8, 8, 8, 8, and 0, 0, 0, 0. Finally, I want x of n, so divide by 8. Finally, x of n, if you divide by 8, it's 1, 1, 1, 1, it is 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is your answer. Okay, this is your answer. Clear all of you? It's very simple, not difficult, but you have to practice. Okay. See, these all calculations are very, very important stage wise. If the exam is offline, even for online also, if someone will ask, if you will get question, what is the third value or fourth value of stage 2 calculation or fifth value of stage 2 calculation, okay, or you can ask, you may get question that what is the third value of stage 1 calculation or fifth value of stage 1 calculation, like this we can ask. Okay, so in this case you have to do the calculation, because if someone will ask what is the final value means, it's not difficult. Simply you can put F50 common or I50 common in the MATLAB means you will get within second. Okay, but you will not get that type of question. Clear? Most probably you will not get that type of question. You have to get the intermediate question. That's why you all people practice properly and don't confuse with the butterfly diagram. It is different for DIT and DIF. Okay, clear? This first over now. So this is it. Then I'm giving just one question for practice so that the people will do. Okay, this is a practice question so that all people will do. This completed? Yes, or you want to write? Completed na? Okay, fine. Now, okay, before that, 8 point is over. How to do 4 point? Same processor for 4 point. IFFT. Okay, for n equals to 4 point. Same processor. Okay, same process. Now, the first is DIT. DIT same. So, stage 1. What is the input? DIT, you all people know that inputs are bit reversal order. I'm writing like this. This input is x conjugate 0, x conjugate 2, x conjugate 1, x conjugate 3, because it is bit reversal order. Okay, then simple calculation. This is the DIT. So first two, the next two, yes or not, like this. So these are the butterfly, first two, then next two, because this is a stage 1. Okay, let these outputs are P0, P1, P2, P3. This is you all people know, it is omega for 0. This is omega for 0. So what is P0? P0 is x conjugate 0 plus x conjugate 2. See, I am using capital, huh? Don't forget, because capital
Sir,
is
for
for
IL50, the stage 1 will be same order, no, sir, not bit reversal.
DIT, CC. It's DIT. See,
But
what is it?
IL50 is done, sir.
Huh.
IL50.
IF50, what is the problem? Even in IF50, what is the input for IF50?
Okay, okay.
IF50 input is no problem. See,
Okay.
this, I say no, this type of confusion will happen. Don't worry. Okay, because first time if people are doing, it will happen. It's happened with us also. Don't worry. Okay, and output is n x conjugate n. And simple, if you want to say, in case of 4 point, it is 4 x conjugate n. Yes or no? Input is x conjugate k. So for DIT, the input is bit reversal order. Yes or not? Like this. Then this is your x0, x conjugate 0 plus x conjugate 2 multiply omega for 0. This is x conjugate 0 minus x conjugate 2 multiply omega for 0. Same here. This is x conjugate 1 plus x, sorry, plus x conjugate 3 omega for 0. And this is your x conjugate 1 minus x conjugate 3, it's omega for 0. So this is a stage 1 calculation. Yes, sir. So similarly, you can do for stage 2. Only 2 stages and not 4 point. So stage 2, what are the input? Input is P0, P1, P2, P3. Okay, this is the output. Then how you can do the butterfly? Same. What P0, P2? Yes, another P0 to P2, one butterfly, and another butterfly is your P1 to P3. Okay, same. Just you see the 4 point, you will understand that. Okay, and this is your omega 4 0, and this is your omega 4 1, and this is the output. So now you all people know that in DIT the output is same order, input is bit reversal order. Okay, that is very important. So output is your, I can write directly 4 x conjugate 0 to be the same order, 4 x conjugate 1, 4 x conjugate 2, 4 x conjugate 3. Okay, now if you want to write the equation, it is also simple. It's very simple. Yes or not? This is your what you can say P0 plus omega 4 0 P2, and this is your yes P1 plus omega 4 1 P3, then 2 minus, yes or not? P0 minus omega 4 0 P2, and this is P1 minus omega 4 1 P3. Okay, clear? Now see, this is your stage 2. Now you combine both, will get it. Then after that, what to do? Same process. Huh? Just take conjugate, then after that divide by 4. Yes or not, like what we did in the previous case. You just take conjugate of all, then divide by 8 because it's 8 pointer. Now it is, since it is 4 pointer, so what to do? You just write it and first take conjugate, then divide by 4. Or you divide by 4, take conjugate, meaning is same, both. Okay. Now same you can do for DIF now. All people, can you do for DIF same processor? Yes or not? DIF 4 pointer. But first you finish this. I'm just giving 1 minute time to people. Finish, then I'll give for DIF also, no problem. I'll give everything so that just if people practice only, you will get confidence. If you will not practice, you will get more and more confusion. Okay. That is very important. Okay. Now, over all of you, we'll go to DIF, but require some more time. Yes? Section NB. It's finished or you require some more time? Okay, I'm giving some 1 more minute, finish it. Okay, now I'll go to the next step. Now see, I will give DIF, okay. I50, inverse fast Fourier transform, DIF, okay, for n equals to 4 point. Now, you all people know that in DIF, the input is same order, yes or not, and output is bit reversal order. Don't confuse, every time writing, the input is same order, and output is your bit reversal order. Okay, and you all people know that input is your x conjugate k, and output is your and multiply x conjugate n. Okay, now simple do it stage 1 calculation. Okay, input is same order, x conjugate 0, x conjugate 1, x conjugate 2, x conjugate 3, because input is same order. Okay, now simply plot one line like this. Then how people will do the butterfly in case of DIF? Okay, first and third, yes or not? See, first and third one butterfly, because this is DIF, not DIT, and second butterfly is 1 and 3. Okay, like this. Simple first and third and second and fourth. Yes, no, the first and third and second and fourth. First means 0, third means 2, second means 1, fourth means 3. Okay. Now these are the outputs, and this is same. Okay, this is your omega 40, and sorry, this is DIF. Okay, DIF means like this, omega 40, and this is omega 41. It's P0, P1, P2, P3. Okay. Now what are the equations? It's very simple. P0 is your x conjugate 0 plus x conjugate 2, and P2 is x conjugate 0 minus x conjugate 2 multiply omega 40, and P1 is x conjugate 1 plus x conjugate 3, and P3 is x conjugate 1 minus x conjugate 3 multiply, this is your omega 4 1. Okay, so this is a stage 1 calculation. Same way you can do for stage 2. Okay, stage 2, again the output of stage 1 become input to stage 2, P0, P1, P2, P3. Okay, now same. Now how to do the butterfly? Now in same order, first two, then next two. Yes or not? Like this, because this is DIF. Okay, the next two, like this. Okay, and this is your omega 40. This is omega 40, and important is the outputs. Okay, don't do mistake here. What is in case of DIF? The output is bit reversal order. Means I can write 4 x conjugate 0, then 4 x conjugate 2, 4 x conjugate 1, 4 x conjugate 3, because the output is bit reversal order. Okay, then equations are simple. Yes or not? This is your P0 plus P1. This is P0 minus P1, multiply the total factor omega 40. This P2 plus P3, and this is your P2 minus P3 multiply omega 40. Okay, this is your stage 2 calculation. Then you combine both. After the same process, okay, first you write in the order, means 0 to 3. After that, take conjugate, then divide by 4, or you can just write in order, divide by 4, then take conjugate. Both are same meaning. Okay. See again, student, if the exam is offline, you should be take care of this. I-50 socially. Okay. Otherwise, people will do mistake. Socially for DIF, because DIT is easy. Both are easy only, but problem is confusion. Okay. Just remember the, if you remember DIT, just reverse the DIT, then we get DIF, only change the butterfly. Okay, it's very important to remember the butterfly. Don't confuse with butterfly. Otherwise, the whole thing will be, it's gone over. It's mistake. Okay. So see, this is your stage 2 calculation. So today we discuss about how to find I-50, means IDFT of a sequence using DIF algorithm for n equals to 8. Yes or not? We started that part. See, we started this part. I50. Yesterday we discussed already I50 using DIT. This is I50. The important thing is this one. Okay. In case of DFT, the input output, and in case of I50, this is very important. The input and output. Okay. In case of I50, the input is x conjugate k and the output is capital N x conjugate n. This is very important. Don't do mistake. Okay, otherwise everything will be over. This is very important. Okay, now simple. We apply this in DIF. So in DIF, you all people know that input is same order. Okay, you have to write in the same order and the output is bit reversal order. After that, this is the butterfly diagram I given. This is DIF butterfly diagram. Okay, and since someone asked, I given for DIT also. So this is very important. Again, don't do mistake in the butterfly. Otherwise, the whole calculation will be wrong. Okay, I use this butterfly. Then simple. I did the stage 1 calculation. In case of DAF, you all people know, first you write in the same order. Since the input is x conjugate k, write in the same order, x conjugate 0 to x conjugate 7. Then just create the butterflies. How will do the butterfly? 0, 4, then 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7. You will take input and you have to create butterflies. Here I am using different colors so that people will not confuse. Now I use the DIF butterfly to write these equations. It's very easy. In the upper one is a simple plus of the input and lower one is a minus of input multiplied with the Prudel factor. Okay, that is very easy. See, first 4 is simple plus, second 4 minus with multiplied with the Prudel factor. Okay, omega 0, 1, 2, 3. These are Prudel factors. Okay, clear? And same way we did for stage 2. The stage 1 output become input to stage 2. In stage 2, again it's important is how to create the butterfly or how to do the butterfly first 3, yes, not second 4. That's why P0, P2, P1, P3. Similarly here P4, P6, P5, P7. I create the butterfly and these Prudel factors are omega 0 and 2. Then again by using that butterfly diagram, I written all these equations. Equations are very simple. Then finally we come to the stage 3. In the stage 3, the output of stage 2 become input to stage 3. And same in case of stage 3, it's how we create the butterfly is first 2, the next 2, the next 2, like this. Okay, in sequence order. We create the butterfly and by using the DIF butterfly diagram, we written all these equations. After that, we take an example also. Yes, one example we taken here. X of k I given, and after that, first what to do? Find this x conjugate value. After that, simple do the stage wise calculation. I given all these values. Please you verify after this class. Okay. See, similarly I did stage 2. Similarly stage 3. After that, I just given the complete algorithm for 4-point also. Okay. 4-point problem I'm not giving. You can take anything. See, for assignment also, you what to do? You take any sequence x of k or x of n and use these algorithms to find the x of n or x of k. Okay, you can randomly you can take any sequence and what to do? By using FFT command you can find DFT. Okay, then after that you can verify by using DIT and DIF algorithm. Similarly, you write x of k anything according to your wish. After that, or you take any example what I given before, or this example also today what is discussed. Then same thing, find the sequence x of n using DIT and DIF algorithm. Similarly for 4-point, what to do? Take simple sequence. Just I am giving one task. Take a simple sequence. Let x of n equals to 1, 0, 1, 0. Yes or not? Just 1 minute. Okay, then what to do? Take x of n equals to 1, 0, 1, 0. Then find x of k. You people know how to find by using matrix method. Yes or not? Or simple, you put FFT command to find x of k. Then what will get? This x of k. This example already solved in your class. You get x of k equals to 2, 1 minus j, 0, 1 plus j. Okay, now see the input and the output I given already. Now what to do? So in case of DFT, in case of FFT, you take x of n as input and find this x of k by using DIT and DIF algorithm. And in case of IFFT, you take this x of k as input here, and by using this algorithm, find this x of n. So that I given both sequence so that it is easy